Welcome to another video. Do you know the 13 best foods that naturally cleanse the liver? Your liver performs more than 500 functions that keep your body healthy. It's responsible for filtering out toxins and other harmful substances that enter your body, as well as regulating blood sugar levels and cholesterol production. If it becomes overloaded with toxins or damaged by disease, it can't do its job properly. Which means that all sorts of health problems may arise. That's why it's so important to take care of this vital organ. There are a number of ways you can help keep your liver healthy, from eating a healthy diet to avoiding alcohol and drugs. But there are also certain foods that have been shown to be particularly beneficial for the liver. They're called liver-friendly foods because they contain nutrients like vitamin A, omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and glutathione that support the liver. Continue watching for the 13 best foods to cleanse your liver. Number 13. Walnuts. Walnuts are a great snack for those looking to detoxify their liver. A study has found that walnut extract can help cleanse the liver of disease-causing ammonia. You'll also find high levels of L-arginine, glutathione, and omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts. These nutrients help oxygenate your blood and detoxify your liver. Get some today. Number 12. Garlic. Garlic has been used as a medicinal herb since ancient times. It contains numerous sulfur-containing compounds that activate the liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins from the body. This bulbous relative of the onion also contains allicin and selenium, two powerful nutrients proven to help protect the liver from toxic damage and aid it in the detoxification process. You can never have too much garlic in your diet. Number 11. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is rich in natural vitamin C and antioxidants, two powerful liver cleansers. Like garlic, grapefruit contains compounds that boost the production of liver detoxification enzymes. This citrus fruit also contains a flavonoid compound known as naringenin that causes the liver to burn fat rather than store it. Grapefruits are delicious on their own or with your favorite breakfast cereal, mixed into salads, or even juiced. Number 10. Artichokes. Artichokes are a delicious and nutritious vegetable that can protect your liver from damage and promote growth of new tissue. The cynarin, chlorogenic acid, and other compounds in artichokes increase the production of bile, which helps remove harmful toxins from your liver. If you want to live longer and healthier, eat more artichoke. Number 9. Leafy vegetables. Leafy greens are a great way to detoxify your body. They can help remove heavy metals, pesticides, and herbicides from the body. Plus, they improve bile flow, which helps with digestion. Eat some leafy greens such as bitter gourd, arugula, dandelion greens, spinach, mustard greens today. Number 8. Avocados. Avocados are delicious and healthy. They're rich in glutathione-producing compounds and actively promote liver health by protecting it against toxic overload and boosting its cleansing power. Some research has shown that eating 1 or 2 avocados a week, for as little as 30 days, can repair a damaged liver. They taste amazing on toast or as guacamole dip, so there's no excuse not to try them out today. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, one of the most powerful foods for maintaining a healthy liver, has been shown to actively protect the liver against toxic damage, and even regenerate damaged liver cells. Turmeric also boosts the natural production of bile, shrinks engorged hepatic ducts, and improves overall function of the gallbladder, another body-purifying organ. Add turmeric into your diet by adding these spices to your meals or taking them as supplements. Number 6. Cold-pressed oils. Organic cold-pressed, virgin oils such as coconut, olive oil, flaxseed or hemp seed oils have been shown to be beneficial for the liver. When used in moderation, they help the body produce a lipid base that can suck up harmful toxins. By adding these healthy fats into your diet, you can take some of the burden off your liver and give it a break from processing so many toxins every day. Number 5. Beetroot. Drinking beetroot juice is the perfect way to help you stay healthy and energized. It helps activate liver enzymes, which increases bile production, and helps the liver detoxify harmful substances. It also contains betalains that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, as well as protect against liver damage. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage and kale will help flush out the toxins in your system. These vegetables are a major source of glutathione, an antioxidant that triggers toxin cleansing enzymes. So if you want to get rid of carcinogens and other toxins, eat up your cruciferous veggies. Number 3. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, teff, and oats are an excellent source of nutrients. They're rich in B-complex vitamins, which help with fat metabolism and liver function, as well as removing liver congestion. So if you want to feel more energized all day long, eat healthy whole grains. Number 2. Lemons and lime. If you're looking for a refreshing drink to start your day, look no further. Drinking freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice mixed in water in the morning will help stimulate your liver. These citrus fruits contain high amounts of vitamin C, which aids the body in synthesizing toxic material into substances that can be absorbed by water. Number 1. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is a traditional herbal medicine that has been used for centuries as a liver tonic. It's high in silymarin, an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and immune-supportive properties. Studies show milk thistle is effective in treating alcoholic liver disease, hepatitis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and can protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Take milk thistle to detox your liver today. Eating these 13 foods is a great way to keep your liver functioning properly. However, for best results, we recommend doing a liver cleanse. Doing a liver cleanse at least 2 to 3 times a year will eliminate any foreign substances that you may have trapped inside of your liver. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And now, over to you. Which is your favorite liver detox food? Leave your comment below. And be sure to check out our other videos.